Okay, I know this is kind of a fun day and we've got Halloween costumes on. Very good. But we've got to focus on math and that's what we're going to do. Okay, so everybody on the share and show, give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're ready to go. Okay. So it says use a number line to find the product. 3 times 40, and it tells you to automatically think there are 3 jumps of 40. But even without that, remember that this first number here in this math problem is always your jumps of, rows of, groups of, right? We're working with a, what's this called? A number line. So we're doing jumps of. Very good. So we're going to have 3 jumps of how many? 40. So this is already numbered for you. But we just had to do that on the interactive edition where we had to number it, right? And that wasn't hard. We just found out what this number started off here. And even if it would have said 0 and then had the 60 and 70, we would be able to figure out that it's counting by tens. Very good. So automatically, I know this is going to be how many jumps we are going to do. 40. Or 3 jumps of 40, right? This is how many is going to be in each jump. So automatically, I'm going to put my dot where? On the 40. Karma? 40. On the 40. Right now, make a mark on that 40. And if I add 40 more, Roman, that's not appropriate. If I add 40 more, what am I going to get, Sydney? 80. Very good. Make a mark. What if I add 40 more to that 80? Keegan, what am I going to have? 120. Very good, because we know that 4 plus 8 is 12, and add on that 0, right? Now, let's connect our jumps. So, 3 times 40 is what? 120. 120. Write it in the blank. You have stuff you should be working on, remember? Mrs. Stevens. Okay, then you need to read a book. Okay, listen. You just need to read a book. We're in the middle of math. The rest of us are in the middle of math. Okay. Number 2 says 8 times 20. How many jumps am I going to have, everybody? 8. Very good. How many is going to be in each jump? 20 will be in each jump. So right now, go ahead and make your mark. 20 plus 20 is what, everybody? 40 plus 20 is what? 60. 60 plus 20 is what? 80. 80 plus 20 is what? 100. 100 plus 20 is what? 120. 120 plus 20 is what? 140. And you know what? This would be a good time for me to stop and say, I need 8 jumps of 20. How many have I already marked for myself? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I need how many more? 1 more. So 140 plus 20 is? 100. Very good. Now let's connect our jumps. Very good. That's doing great. So, I know that 8 times 20 is what? 160. Very good. This next part says, use place value to find the product. 3 times 70 equals 3 times how many tens? How many tens will I have? How many tens, Riley? 7 tens. Very good. So, I'm going to say 7 tens equals how many, Riley? 70. Good job. Number 4 says 50 times 2 equals how many tens times 2? Donovan, how many tens is that? 50. How many tens is that? 5. Very good, because 10 times 5 is 50. And then it says 5 tens times 2, because that's what this represents right here. Do you get it? Okay, great. So now we're going to say 5 tens equals how many? 50. Very good. You got it. Give me a thumbs up when you have all of that done. You're ready to move on to the next page. Ready? Yeah. Okay, great. Very good. You're doing a great job. Okay, we have the on your own section, but we're not going to do the on your own. We're going to do it together. I know, it's okay. All right, we have, we have 7 times 20. How many jumps will I have, Karma?
7.
7 jumps of what?
20.
So automatically, I'm going to say, there's my 0. I'm going to make my mark on that 20. Then I say 22 what?
40.
40. 40 goes to what?
60.
60 goes to what?
80.
80 to what?
100.
100 to what?
40.
Oh, I better count how many I have because I need 7. So let's look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need 1 more. So I need to go to what?
140.
Very good. Connect them. Connect your jumps. I'm just jumping all the way across right there. So 7 times 20 equals what?
140.
Very good. You guys are doing great. And this is not a hard lesson, is it?
No, it's not.
It's not.
It's pretty much kind of.
Yes. Kind of a repeat of what we've already had, right?
Yep.
They're just showing you that you already have these skills. Here is a strategy to do it, right?
Yeah, and I know 7 times 2 is 14. Then I usually just add a 0.
Yes, very good. You've got the trick down. Okay, just automatically we see 3 times 50. It has a 0. So we're going to say what, Karma?
3 times 5 equals 15. And then add 0, it's 150.
150. Let's just put this in the blank, and we'll do it backwards this time and see if this is what we get. 3 jumps of what?
50.
50. So I'm going to make a mark at my 50 automatically. 50 plus 50 is what?
100.
100. 100 plus 50 is what?
150.
Oh my goodness, I think Karma's correct. We just connect our jumps, and look what we landed on. 150. So 3 times 15. 50 is actually 150. Look how smart she is. She's got it. 6 times 60 equals 6 times how many tens? Kyrie, how many tens is 60? How many tens is 60? 6. Very good. Now we're going to write 6 tens, and 6 tens equal what, Kyrie? You just told me?
6.
No, 6 tens equals what?
60.
60. Very good. Very good.
So easy.
Yes, so easy. 50 times 7 equals how many tens, Keegan?
5.
5 tens times 7. So 5 tens equals what, Keegan?
50.
Very good. You got it. All right. Let's scroll up. Now, oops. Let's scroll or go back up. I'm going to scroll back up to where we were. I want to solve these right here. We said 6 times 6 tens. We said 6 tens times this 6, what would that be?
60.
No, listen. 6 tens times this 6 right here. 6 times 60. Does anybody know? What do you think, Keegan? So we have this. Let's go here and write what 6 times 60 is. What is it? Do you know? Do you remember our trick?
360.
360. Very good. Because we have a 0, we can just bring it down, and 6 times 6 is 36. Let's solve this over here. We knew this part right here. But what about this 50 times 7? Does anybody want to give that a shot? I'm going to put this 0 right here because I see it, and I'm going to take care of it. What is it, Axel?
350.
350. Very good. You knew it. All right. When you have that, let's scroll up. I wanted to solve it. We didn't solve it. I wanted to get you to understand that this was 50 tens. Or 5 tens, I mean. All right, are you ready? Okay, now we're scrolling up. Okay, a bottle of shampoo costs $8, and a package of cat toys costs $7. Are you with me?
Yes.
If the clinic sells its entire supply of shampoo and cat toys, how much money will it receive? Well, right now I'm going to bracket my information. Bottle of shampoo costs $8 and cat toys cost $7, okay? When you've bracketed that, give me a thumbs up so I know you're ready to move forward. This is going to be a two-stepper, so should you be with me? Yes. I'm going to go up here and work this out, okay, above these bubbles. So it says a bottle of shampoo costs $8. Well, here's our shampoo right here, and I'm just going to dot that. Now we're talking about what? A package of cat toys. So I see that over here in my frequency table. And how many packs does the Best Care Clinic pet supply store carry in all of shampoo?
20.
Oh, 20 bottles, not packs. 20 bottles. So I'm going to say, if my shampoo costs $8, I'm going to say 20 bottles times, and I'm going to write me a number 1 here because I'm going to know this is my first step, times this $8. Anybody want to tell me what that would be? Oh, hi.
Is this someone?
Yes, thank you so much for bringing that. Probably left it in the bathroom.
Yeah.
20 times $8. Thank you, hon. What is it, Kinsley? What do you think? 160, because we can just bring this 0 down, and then 2 times 8 is 16. So that's $160. So far you should have that. Why did I put a dollar sign in front of that 160, Carly?
Because the dollar sign is our label.
It is, because I am saying 20 bottles times $8 per bottle. So I'm trying to find the cost, right? So now I've taken care of my shampoo. I don't have to worry about that now. So I'm going to cross that off because I've already got it. Now it says a package of cat toys costs $7. How many packages of cat toys does the Best Care Clinic Pet Supply Store carry? How many, Karma?
10.
10 packs. So I'm going to say 10 times $7. And how much is that, Karma? 70 what? Dollars. Very good. Now, am I done with this problem?
No.
Oh, I'm not. Well, what do I have to do?
Put the answer in there with the label.
Oh. No? What's my question? We didn't underline our question. So this is why you need to follow the problem all the way through, right? So now you need to say to yourself, I did that much. Am I done? If the clinic sells its entire supply of shampoo and cat toys, how much money will it receive? So your label's going to be a dollar sign, right? So now what do I got to do with these numbers up here? I'm going to have a third step. What am I going to do with those numbers, Chase?
Add them up.
I am. You're right. I'm going to say $160 plus $70. Now I'm going to tell you, if you already have a dollar sign in your problem, you don't have to add another dollar sign. The label is going to be a dollar sign, okay? 160 plus 70. Keegan, what do I have?
330.
No.
230.
230. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 7 is 13. Carry my 1. $230. And that's going to be what we put on the line. And I'm going to do it like that. You don't have to do it that way. That's how I always write it. What's the question? What's the question? Each bag of treats has 30 treats. The answer is 240. Well, let's look at treats. Treats, how many do we have?
8 bags.
8 bags. Each bag of treats has 30 treats. The answer is 240. What's my question? What could my question be?
8 times 30 equals 240.
Well, that would be my problem. You're correct in how you would work it. But now I need a question. Riley?
What's the answer to 8 times 30?
I don't want the multiplication sentence. I need a question. They're asking you to make your own word problem, basically. So if each bag of treats has 30 treats, what could my question be? What could it be, Aaron?
Does that have to be word problem?
Huh?
Does that have to be word problem?
Yes.
Okay.
Like it would be like you're missing some information here. You're missing the question. What could the question be, Karma?
I was going to say the question.
Oh, okay. Tell me.
If each bag of treats has 30 treats, what would be the missing number?
Okay, I see what track you're on, but you're making it harder on you. You have each bag of treats has 30 treats. What could your question be? How many
treats?
How many
Bags.
Yeah.
Bags of treats.
Yeah, let's see what they have in the book. They said, how many treats are there in all? So, if this was your word problem, you could say, hold on, let me finish. If this was your word problem, you could say, Best Care Clinic Pet Supply Store has 8 bags of treats. In each bag of treats, there are 30 treats. How many treats are there in all? And then your answer would be 240. It tells you what the answer is, right? Number 11 says there are 4 bottles of vitamins in each box of vitamins. Now I'm automatically going to look, and I'm going to erase some of this so we're not confused, because now I'm going to go to this next problem here, and I'm going to use red. We're talking about vitamins, right? There's our vitamins in our table here. There are 4 bottles of vitamins in each box of vitamins. How many boxes are there? 3. Very good. So we're going to say 4 bottles of vitamins, right? It says each bottle of vitamins has 20 vitamins. If the clinic wants to have a supply of 400 vitamins, how many more boxes should it order? What's the first thing I need to do? What's the first thing I need to do? Chase?
Now underline the question, and I think I know the answer.
Okay, I just want you to answer this question first. What's the first thing I need to do?
I underline the question and kind of like help find this, and now you get to 20.
The first thing I need to do is figure out 4 bottles of vitamins in each box. I know I have 4 bottles times 3 boxes. I have how many? 12 total bottles, right? And I'm going to write this here because this takes me to my next set of information. Each bottle, how many bottles do I have? 12, very good. Each bottle has 20 vitamins. So now I have another problem. What's that problem going to be? Isabella?
That problem will be...
I figured out how many bottles I have, and now it says each bottle of vitamins has 20 vitamins.
20 times 12.
Very good. I'm going to take my 12 bottles times my 20 in each bottle. And let's work this over here, and I'll show you. This is a 12 times 20. This is an easy way to work it, okay? You automatically have this 0, right? I could say 12 times 2. What is 12 times 2? What is 12 times 2, Chase?
I know that 2 times 2 is 4, so add 2 tens.
No, okay, go ahead. I see what you're saying. Go ahead.
Add 2 tens, and it's 24.
Very good. I saw what you were doing. I started to say no because I thought you were going to say something else, but I saw what you were doing. Yep. 12 times 2 is 24, and I just brought my 0 down. Now, you could do it the old-fashioned way, and I'll show you that too. Okay, ready? 12 times 20. Now, this is a 4th grade skill, so do you need to know that in 3rd grade? No, you don't need to know that this year. But is it helpful if you're already shown how to do it?
Yes.
It is helpful, so let's go ahead and do it. 2 times 0 is what?
0.
1 times 0 is what?
0.
0. Anything times 0 is 0, right? Okay, we took care of this ones column, so we're going to come down here and put a 0 in the ones column because now we're multiplying by the tens column. 2 times 2 is what?
4.
1 times 2 is what?
2.
And now I just add these 2 together. See, I did it this way. I can do it the long way too. Okay? You don't need to do it this way right now. We did it this way. It's fine. Okay, so we have 240. Right? Now, my question says what? What's my question, Donovan?
How many more boxes should it order?
Order if it wants to have what? If it wants to have a supply of, and this is what I wanted you to see, that you have to go back and read your question to know what you're trying to get to, right? So, if you wanted to get to 400 vitamins, okay, how many more boxes should you order? Right now, you have 12 bottles total. You have 3 boxes. So 4 boxes or 4 bottles of vitamins times the 3 boxes gave you 12 bottles in all, right? Because each box contains 4 bottles. You're trying to get to 400. So here's what I would do. So somewhere off to the side somewhere, we're going to say 400. And we're going to minus off this 240 that we already have. Right? So 0 minus 0 is what?
0.
You can do that. If I have no cookies, I can... Hold on, I'm going to stop my video.